Hello everyone, petar.jacimovic here from vikinganalysis.com. I want to post the update on the market and my positions here. So if you follow my work, you probably know that I am bullish on the pound USD, bullish on the Euro New Zealand dollar. I was bullish, and I am still bullish on Australian New Zealand dollar, which is going very good. So these are current positions I got. I got 2 positions on Euro New Zealand dollar and 2 on GBP USD. All with pretty much max 1% risk over each transaction. So I'm starting to stay. I want to speak about the GBP USD and start with this right now. So basically I got a position. If you remember, I took a one position from 1.3130 level. That was yesterday, that level, and my stop loss is basically below the 78.6 percentage from this upward movement, upward leg. So if the price go below 78.6, I will not chase the GBP USD higher. So this was a maximum I can afford, and in my opinion this will hold. If this is a really counting, it's a correct counting, it shouldn't go below 78.6, which is this one price about 1.2940-ish level. Okay, I put below that about 15-20 pips below that. Basically, so I have a one position I started to buy yesterday at 1.3, what they said, 1.3130 level. I'm 60 pips in minus currently. And I established a position, as you see here, 1.3036 position, and I'm in plus 40 pips. The reason why I had position on GBPUSD is because of this very good, good news to add position into your original counting if something like this happen. And this is basically the climatic action driven by the news. Okay, when I see the climatic action driven on the scheduled news, like we got today on US about the unemployment, so when I see something like that, I know this is basically the sell move only to give up institutionals. So there is some institutions which sold there, but they just sold there to even catch a better price on GBPUSD and to catch that buying position even on the better price than, for example, yesterday. So I started to buy yesterday. It was also okay to buy there, but today news also moved lower, which confirmed another so climatic action, a lot of panic sellers there, and so on and so on. But if you observe the whole structure of this price action, if you observe the previous price action and you know where you are on the larger frames as well, this is a very risky to sell. I speak about a short-term perspective. I will not I don't speak about ultra large perspective, since this still can go lower. But before that stronger lower price, we in my opinion, in this counting where I found a 5-wave structure here, and this can be a first wave or A point in ABC major corrective phase, then you have a very, I didn't mark here, but you have a something like ABC here, and you have also some ABC here. So you have some double zigzag formation here, okay, maybe even a triple zigzag. So there is some zigzag formation, there is a combination of corrective forms there. But basically keep in mind the word in corrective forms. So this is a corrective form, okay, this is not impulsive wave for sure, okay. It cannot be impulsive wave like this, okay. Even if this is impulsive wave, this is a not strong impulsive wave. There is a lot of up and downs, a lot of ABC formations there. So that's my reason why I established a buying position, why I added one position at 1.3036. I added with 1% risk, and again the risk is the stop loss is the same level where I established a yesterday buying position. So stop loss is about 1.2900 and 10 level. Okay, so that level below the 78.6, which will confirm this like more likely invalid um, formation. So I have two positions here. I don't plan to add any more, so I have two positions here. Okay, so what I'm aiming, also keep in mind this one, we got a five wave structure inside of this final. You see the final ABC, you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have a 5-wave structure like ending of the C lag or major ABC lag, which is this one. Okay, you have A, B, and potential C. Since the duration of this corrective form on the GBPSD, since the complexity, the 100% the C is equal to A is something minimum I expect. So this is a 1.3 around 700 area, 1.3 700 705. So that is the area where I want to scale my first position. Okay, since I have two positions, I want to scale the first position in 1.3700, which is still 500 from the original, 550 pips from the original entry from yesterday, and it's about 630 pips from the current entry near the 1.3036. Okay, so again, 5-wave countings here, confirming that this is something is going on here. So this is a not end of the correction of this strong drop in the background. Okay, now this is more likely that it will be ABC, a major corrective phase, which can go even to 100 or 161.8 before it ends, and then we can maybe start strong downward momentum and so on and so on. But it's all depend of the structure we will see in the price section and so on. So we'll see. But this will be or ABC formation or starting of the third wave. Okay. So if this is a C is equal to A at 100% at 1.3700 level. Okay. If the price go higher, price will go probably to the area where it's 161.8 from the sequel to E, pardon, the C versus E, 161.8, which is the same level where the third leg is 161.8. It's absolutely same level, 1.430 level. So 1.3700 and 1.4130. These are my two targets at this point, my two major targets. Again, if the price go below 78.6, hit my stop loss, this will be, again, I must rebuild counting and so on. So far this is active right now, and I have two positions. That's what I wanted to inform you. Also, if you check the RSI, for example, 14 period, which is also useful to use in these kind of situations, we have a divergence here. You see the higher swing low on the, and even the price went into new low and create this new selling climax. We got a divergence there. Not just we got divergence, we got RSI near the 30 level and starting to pick up. It's a 1 hour time frame. So also very, very confirming basically my observation here. Okay, that's about the GBPUSD. So I'm bullish on this one as long we don't break the 78.6% from first wave. Then I have the Euro New Zealand dollar, which is right now picking up very good after this news effect and some price struggling here. But there I have a target entry, and basically my stop loss is near 17.6. In this scenario, the 50% of retracement of point of this first wave, which you have subdivided by 5 waves. So in my opinion, this is a similar like GBPUSD. We got some double zigzag formation here. Okay, ABC, then ABCX, and then ABC final epsilon Y here. And I have positions, as you know, I have two positions from this point and one from this point here. So I also have two positions. So what I'm aiming? I'm aiming at the similar situation. This can be a ABC formation, or it can be a third wave. If is this a third wave, the minimum is basically 100%, so 1.660 level. And if it's a corrective phase, it came. The calculation is pretty much similar, 1.6 1.600. Okay, 1.6, pardon, just a second, 1.660. I just must go and do this. Okay, 1.6180. That is that C is equal to A lag in the major ABC corrective phase, if this is a corrective phase. But it doesn't matter what is this. This is always in the Elliott wave analysis. It's important the direction, okay, and what we expect. We never know if this will be the starting of something bigger, or 5-wave structure, and this will be a strong upward momentum in the next period on the longer term, on the mid-long term perspective, or this will be just the ABC corrective phase, the big one. We don't know that right now, but everything leading us higher. That's what is important, and we have the projections here. So very big risk-reward ratio here in play, 1 to 5, 1 to 7 here, or even higher. I will not even speak about the higher price, since let's say we go slowly, step by step, and achieve these levels here. Okay, so I have positioned there, stop loss below this 1.5 to 190 area, 90 area, and if I found that this is a potential end of the ABC corrective phase. This is a double zigzag formation, so this can be a huge third wave or C lag. Volume also, again, we have a very high activity, but there is no selling pressure anymore to push this lower, so pretty much stable here to higher price. Then one update about the USD CAD. Basically USD CAD I exited on the break even, but this is what happened on the news. We went higher on the news basically, which is also, yeah, higher on the news. Anyway, the final update in my position is here, Australian New Zealand dollar, which I didn't post video, but I posted my Forex Factory when I entered my Forex Factory thread. Basically, I entered around this stage here, when the price was here. I found a 5-wave structure here, and it was forming very strong 5-wave structure, as you see. And inside of this third wave, we got also 5-wave structure, 1 2 1 2 3 4 5. This structure, basically, this was a minimum, about the minimum of third wave, which is 100, as you see here, above 138.2. That's where the price stopped. That's just slightly above the minimum of the third wave. So this is not expansion in the ratio, by the way. We got in the waves expansion here, this third wave, but it's not in the ratio. Its ratio is pretty much about minimum. Okay, so the fourth wave, which is corrective wave, went to the ABC zigzag formation. We got the selling climax here. The price stopped there. I projected the channel there, and I started to buy from this point here. Then price went higher. Price basically tested 61.8, as you see, 78.6, and that's why the price went into correction. But still, we're building right now 1 2 1 2, so second wave. This is potential third wave, then fourth, fifth wave, or even we can go even higher. My projection is raised from the original 100% to the 161.8 target. So this is a very big risk ratio in play. I moved stop loss from my original stop loss was just below this C point and also end of the fourth wave, and I moved that to higher price, 1.0. As you see, my stop is right now 1.0640 area. So then I will follow this progress. So far it's very good. I'm already in 1:3 ratio, but again, since there is a space for more and we backed into the channel, so we reconfirm basically this upward channel, I really expect higher price and testing of this higher deal off, and this will be 161.8 of the fifth wave, which I'm expecting basically. One thing also, this can be all just first wave and then we wait again and the same process. So, but this is where I want to scale out my position near this area here. Of of course I will follow the price action, observe and see what's going on. What happened on the news, of course, confirmed the Elliott wave analysis, and we got a strong demand enter the market, high volume, high activity. Then this bar was pretty much a test bar in a high volume in the middle, and the price tracked higher. So this is very, very bullish. That's it for this analysis. I hope you enjoyed my analysis, and if you enjoy my analysis, if you want to follow my work, subscribe on my YouTube channel to stay tuned about my new updates in my positions. Next week I plan to, I'm very, very close to open the USD position there for very, very good risk reward ratio there. I'm expecting higher price on the USD, but we'll wait the Monday, and probably we'll start to buy the USD as well, because there is a very, very good opportunity there in my opinion for a very high risk reward ratio. That's all for now. Wish you good trading. Yeah, one thing I forgot, if you want to start my mentorship program to learn all of this and how I combine different strategies and how I combine Elliott wave or use the Fibonacci ratios, also time analysis and the volume spread analysis together with Wyckoff analysis. So I pretty much watch all in one when I create my analysis. Also you can use additional indicators, oscillators like RSI and so on to help to improve your entry. So you can start my mentorship program 7 days course. You can add me on the Skype at petar.jacimovic is my username. I will write in the description of the video. So if you want to start cooperation, feel free to add me. Bye bye for now, and have a great weekend. I speak to you next week.